Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Well, firstly, I owe you all an apology because I said I wouldn't flood my channel with this subject of this damn cracked roof. However, this video was something I've decided to make basically because I got contacted by my local dealer. We put the second update video out last Wednesday, and on the Friday I received a telephone call from them, and we had a lengthy chat. So much so that what was said in the actual conversation was quite a lot to take in to sort of relay to you, really. So I asked them if they wouldn't mind putting it in an email, and they have done. I've got a copy of it here. So I've decided I am not going to read the email out myself. I want to keep this as neutral as possible, so I've chosen an AI voice. It's not irritating, it's probably one of the better ones on the market, and I'm going to get them to read it out to you. And I'd love to know what you think. So here is the email that was sent to me by my local dealer.
Hi Phil. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to clarify the situation regarding your sunroof repair. We'd like to reassure both yourself and your viewers that this is not a case of us avoiding or delaying responsibility, but rather ensuring that the repair is carried out safely and correctly. The current issue relates to a specific type of mechanical sunroof repair on certain Swift Group caravans. At present, we have not yet received the official training from Swift to carry out this updated repair method. The initial repair process we were shown involves cutting into the roof structure, which generates a significant amount of fiberglass dust. This raises serious health and safety concerns for our workshop staff. As an employer, we have a legal and moral duty of care to ensure our team are working in a safe environment. Because of this, we cannot proceed with that method in its current form. Instead, we have been working closely with Swift to establish a revised repair process that meets both the manufacturer's standards and appropriate health and safety requirements. This is not about delaying the repair, but about ensuring it is done properly and safely. We understand that delays like this are frustrating, especially when customers are keen to get back out using their caravans. However, once the situation has been fully explained, the vast majority of our customers have understood the reasons behind this approach. We are pleased to confirm that we expect the updated repair method and training to be delivered to our engineers within the next week. Once this has taken place, we will be able to begin working through all outstanding sunroof repairs as quickly as possible. To be absolutely clear, we have not at any point stepped away from our responsibilities. We are actively working toward a resolution and are committed to completing these repairs for all affected customers at the earliest safe opportunity. We appreciate your patience and the chance to clarify this properly.
Well folks, that was what the dealer had to say. Very interesting, I think you'll agree. As regards to the "see you in February" comment, apparently that was a joke and a flippant comment, and I didn't see it at the time. I still really don't, but I've decided I'm just going to put my big boy pants on and just rise above it. But going back to the email, it does mention the health and safety of his staff, which I think is very commendable. But it also relates to its customers as well, because when you think about it, with the best will in the world, when these come back after repair, there's still going to be quite a lot of dust lying around. So how do we handle them as customers? It'd be interesting to know what you think. So I'll see you in the comments below, and we can have a chat. Thank you very much for watching, and I'd like to thank the local dealer for taking time to spend talking to me regarding this subject. Bye for now.